Hello everybody. I am 5 months late, I think, on this video. Yeah, 5 months. And it's finally gonna happen. So I was supposed to be doing my 100 Subs Special Part 2, and, well, it never happened, apparently. Because, well, yeah, you're already seeing a part of what the special was supposed to be. And I know a lot of you have been waiting for this. And here it is. My elevator button panel. This is the thing that you guys have been waiting for 5 months. And this is what it looks like. Came from the Cavenger Elevator Company. And also, you have your phone. Well, it's not really a phone. It's actually parts to power this thing, because this thing is actually not supposed to work like it really is. It's actually supposed to use like different things. So, but that's just some power stuff inside of there. And we're gonna get to this elevator. So you got all this, your buttons. Now, if you actually hold them in, they actually make sounds. It's a hydraulic. It even says capacity 2,000 pounds, and that is light. So here's your door open, door close. And this thing is extremely heavy. But yeah. And here's your alarm. Very, very, very loud. And here's your key. Sure, here I got this little logo right here on the key. And if you actually turn it, it actually turns on the light. It is very nice and bright, and yeah, it's cool. So here's your sides of the panel. You got your buttons. And they all light up, obviously, and if you hold them down, it's gonna be acting like you're in the elevator. Oh, I acted like I was going up. That's kind of cool. Yeah, it's basically how this thing works. Yeah. Here's the front side, which you can't really see. Plus, there isn't really anything back there. But there is. I wonder. Since it said it was going down, we'll say that again when you go to 2. Let's figure that out. Yes. Wait, no, actually, no, I think that actually represents the floor it's on. Because it beat 2 times on 2, 1 time on 1, and 3 times on 3. Oh, that's interesting. Whoa. Breaking the software. Yeah, so it beat 1 time on 1, and it should be 3 times on the 3rd floor. And this actually came from a real building in the middle of the beach. Not kidding. Yeah, it beat 3 times for the 3rd floor. Here's your on and off switch. Right here. And yes, it will turn off. Actually, no, it didn't. Huh, that's weird. Let's leave that where it is. Yeah, that's what it's kind of cool. Not gonna lie. It's pretty cool. And again, that alarm is very loud. Comparable to the Sangean CL100 weather radio's high sound, which is extremely loud. But yeah, that is a little overview of this thing, and there's a lot of grimy stuff down there, and a lot of wiring. It's not an actual phone, it's just a bunch of wiring. But this thing is honestly kind of cool, and looks like the plate for the elevator got ripped off. Interesting. But yeah, I do like these buttons as well. Now, door open and door close aren't really meant to do anything. So if you're actually looking at the buttons without interruption, then here you go. Now, if only I could see where this elevator really was placed. Be like, but the thing is, it is a little weird pushing the buttons because it's laid down here. So yeah, a little dusty, but that's okay. But you gotta like this setup here. I like this key, this logo here. You see the key inside. Now, it actually is meant for the door, I'm pretty sure. But for this thing, it's actually programmed to control the light. And it also cannot be turned to here, because I don't think it's set to. So no, you can't do that either. It's really just meant for the light, which is how the people who gave this to me was programmed to make it work like that. I do like a lot of this thing, though. It's pretty nice. But yeah, I guess I've pretty much covered this, and hope you enjoyed this thing, because this is a thing that you guys have been waiting for a long time. And yeah. Whoa! Something very unrelated that you can do. But might as well, because, you know, it's an elevator panel. It doesn't have the best software, but it's got good software. Gotta give it that. And the alarm. Not sure if this was the real one or not. But that will be it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed.